Hi movie fans, so we've got the first Blu-ray haul of 2025. Let's check it out. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those home cinema products. Make sure you check those out to the end of this video. Hi movie fans, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be checking out the big Blu-ray haul that I picked up in the beginning of 2025. Now what I do after Christmas normally is I scour out marketplaces. A lot of people want to clear stuff out to make room for what they've got for Christmas, and Blu-rays are the biggest things that are selling at the moment on marketplace, and you can get some fantastic deals from people that don't really know what those movies are actually worth, and you can pick up some really good gems. So I managed to pay around $2 for these, so around £1 each. So I didn't think that was bad going for some second-hand Blu-rays, and there are some still in the wrapping. So let's dive in and see what we got. Right, so first one we got, I absolutely love this movie. Never had it on VHS, never had it on DVD. Original Italian Job with Michael Caine. Fantastic movie from the 60s. There's some brilliant action with those Mini Coopers flying around the Alps. Around 20-30 years since I've seen this movie, but I thought it was a great pickup for $2. Next up, we've got an upgrade. I did have this on DVD, I Am Legend. Really wanted to get the 4K version of this. This popped up, again $2, so £1 for I Am Legend on Blu-ray. It does include the alternate ending as well, which is fantastic. So I'll be looking forward to diving into this and seeing how good it is on Blu-ray. Next up, I've already got this movie, but I hadn't got the 3D version, and that is Cars 2. So it's a 3D version, so I'm looking forward to checking this out on the new 3D TV that I picked up, as well as checking it out in my home cinema room. The next two I picked up was The Night at the Museum 1 and The Night at the Museum 2. Great movies, lots of fun to be had with Ben Stiller. Absolutely love these movies. Never had them on VHS and never had them on DVD, but now I've got the Blu-ray versions. Got a couple of movies from the 80s, so I picked up The Fly. Haven't seen this since VHS days. Not to give too much away, but a fly ends up getting in with the transportation device, and he gets infected with that fly, sort of merged together, and starts to change as the fly. Got a very young Jeff Goldblum and a very young Gina Davis. Pretty great movie from the 80s, so I'll be looking forward to rechecking this out after many years of not seeing it. Next up, great movie. This is a Region A, so we've got The Brave with Jodie Foster. I haven't seen this for years. I've got it on DVD. I was looking forward to upgrading it to Blu-ray. Luckily this one pops up with this haul. I think they go out for a night, get brutally attacked. I won't say any more. Let's just say she goes on a revenge spree as a bit of a female vigilante. Really good movie, well worth a watch. Not something I'm going to watch all the time, but it is a great movie. It would be nice to watch the transfer on Blu-ray and see how good it is. So I've got a couple of pictures as well in the $2 hauls. This one's new in wrapper, never been played. So we've got Romancing the Stone from the early 80s. So we've got Michael Douglas, Kathleen Turner. Chemistry is fantastic in this movie. Really great comedy. Bit of an Indiana Jones film, but not as good as Indiana Jones. Bit of a comedy. And then you got Danny DeVito as well, trying to hunt for this rare stone or ruby or whatever it is. Can't remember offhand how the story folds. I haven't seen this in about 15 years, but it'd be great to check this out on Blu-ray. Classic Stallone movie I picked up as well, and that is Cliffhanger. I know this has just come out on 4K. I was looking at the 4K and then this popped up, and I thought I might as well go for this. $2, no biggie. I'm not a big fan of the artwork on this. The artwork's not the best. I think the British artwork and the American artwork's a lot better than this. With the Europe artwork and the American artwork, you haven't got this massive age rating here. I'm not blind, I can see that from like 20 meters away. It's that big. Cliffhanger, great movie with Stallone. It was his comeback movie from after he made Oscar and Throw Mama from a Train. That brought him back into the action movies, and he did 95% of his own stunts in this movie as well. So it's got a great featurette on there as well. A really great movie, worth checking it out on Blu-ray. So I've got a couple of movies that I haven't seen ever. Some of you may think it's a bit of a crime. So the one is brand new in the packet, Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels. Never seen this movie. Vinnie Jones, great cast, Brad Pitt in here. Never seen it. So I'll be looking forward to checking this movie out and see if it's any good. It's one of those movies I meant to check out, just never got round to. So now I've got it for just over £1. It's well worth having a look at it and checking it out and see if it's good on Blu-ray. Another one of this had some great reviews. I think it's won some Oscars or some awards as well, and that is $1 Million Baby with Clint Eastwood and Morgan Freeman. Never seen this movie, not too sure. I know it's sort of a boxing movie, but I'm looking forward to checking this out. And then the gem I picked up that I've been searching for ages, and this popped up. I know it's going up in value on eBay, and especially if you want the US copy, you're going to pay a fortune for it, and that is Turner and Hooch. Great movie with Tom Hanks as a small town detective. Can't remember offhand the story behind it. Ends up looking after this dog. His owner's been murdered, I think, and he ends up inheriting this dog, and it just slobs everywhere, but it helps him find the murderers of the owner as well. And there's a bit of corruption going on as well, whether it's drugs or money, I can't remember offhand, but I'm looking forward to checking this out on Blu-ray and seeing how good it is. So all in all, I got $12 12 movies, worked out roughly £1 each, being $2 Australian dollars. So it came to $24, 12 quid. What a bargain. For 12 Blu-ray movies, I couldn't even get DVDs for that. So if you enjoyed the content so far, make sure you give you the big thumbs up. Make sure you don't miss any more episodes. Make sure you slap that subscribe button if you haven't already. So I want to thank you for watching. Keep supporting physical media, and I'll catch you next one.